Christmassy. It's nice. McDonald's has done the decorations for us. Yeah, wicked car. You think you'll keep it forever?
Yeah. Sometimes I think I can go sell it, leave it. But,
yeah. But you work. You got a Tesla, eh? You work a Tesla.
Right. Yeah.
Tesla for the daily.
Exactly.
Sensible car for the daily. And to make up for the fact that you're driving an electric car, you've got a ridiculous fuel powered car. Where the racetrack is?
Yeah.
Up like northeast. Yeah.
There I went there 2 times. One time for Jamfest, so they're all like JDM cars and stuff. So that is really cool.
I was just saying, we're going to put it on the 70-200. This car behind it's really fucking up my shot. And it's now coming, go on, keep going forward. Keep going forward, keep going forward, keep going forward. Keep going forward. Oh my god, how slow can you drive through a drive-through? And horizontal. What's your Instagram, bro? Put your Instagram on.
Huh?
What's your Instagram?
Oh, thanks. Wait. I don't post much.
What do you do with your pictures then?
Yeah, I do. I do pictures, but I don't post them. I don't. Yeah, here. This is my Instagram.
Holding back.
Yeah, it's just.
You should post them.
Hmm?
You should post them.
Yeah. Right.
But yeah, you should put the pictures you've taken. You should put them on Instagram.
Yeah.
Get them up there.
Yeah.
They're good pictures.
I'll do that.
Right, let's fucking switch it up a bit. Not that one, but this one. A little bit backwards. A little bit further. Shooting at 1/13 of a second, which is something I keep doing recently, and it's probably a bit too slow. Just tell me if you get too cold or too bored.
Oh, yeah, no worries.
I don't want you to. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Full blast.
How old are your shots?
4 and 1.5.
Oh man.
So I'm just normally just always tired.
I know. Yeah, 8 to 4.
Are you getting a tripod out as well?
I have to.
Oh god.
I always wanted to do some long exposure range shots.
Yeah. I feel like I need to as well.
This is the moment.
Otherwise I'm going to have really grainy photos compared to everyone else. Tripods are out. What are we saying about this angle here? Okay, turn my ISO all the way to 100. I'm going to shoot at f2.2 to get the whole car in focus, and I'm going to take my shutter speed up to about, put on a 2-second timer, focus on the rear lights of the car, take a shot. Okay, and then I want a dead-on rear shot. Fuck, my car's in the way. Is my car actually in the way? Oh, my car's in the way. I should move it, shouldn't I? Oh shit, am I in your shot? Yeah, but not. But I can Photoshop you out easy. You're like in the very corner, so Lightroom will be able to deal with you, no problem. Okay, focus on the back. Okay, I'm falling. The boys.
How did you guys all met? Instagram.
Tinder.
Tinder. Grindr, right?
Tinder for photographers. Yeah, just a couple of guys who like the same shit.
Yeah.
I guess it's the kind of the same as in the car scene. You just kind of end up meeting people who like the same stuff, and just, you know, your mates at home who just don't get it.
Yeah.
You know, there's no point in hanging around with them all day over a car because they just don't get it. Like they will never understand why you spend so much money on a car or on ridiculous camera gear. So yeah, it's kind of that. We just all love taking the same picture. Fuck knows. Just drive in. Don't worry about me. I'm just going to shoot you video. I'm going to shoot around you. Yeah, it's cool. It's nice that he's got, you know, a good thing a good subject to test out all his kit on as well. I mean, great for you because
Yeah, you have the reference.
yeah, make me look sexy. Make me look cinematic and sexy. Oh, that already looks pretty sick. Yeah, that one needs to come slightly closer. You're not really even in it, it's just your arm. That's sick, yeah, hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna do a horizontal as well.
If you light real low, you get like this shades of the droplets.
Yeah, that was fucking sick. When it stops, yeah. I'm gonna go for the full front on. I think it's gonna look better. The whole car in shot and frame. I think you could probably start a bit closer to me so it lights the very front of the car. Yeah, yeah. Starting there, that's perfect. Okay, ready and beeping. Go. Yeah. And further away now. Yeah, it looks cool. It looks like two different cars almost. It's pretty gangster. So we'll take the light from that one to that one or vice versa. It'll look pretty sick. Oh. I'm the scat man. Dibby-dibby-dibby-dibby-bop-bop. Dip-dip-bop-bop. I'm the bin man. Dibby-dibby-bop-bop. Oh, please don't flip the bin with my camera on it. Let's get to bin climbing. Wow, cool.
35mm is like.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a nice chill one. I hope you learned a little bit from it and you saw some stuff you liked. If you want to see more like this, then subscribe to the channel. There's loads more coming out, and there's some stuff I've done in the past that I'm sure you'll enjoy. There's a couple of links to some videos at the end, which I also think you're going to enjoy. The cinematic sequence you're about to see is by Adam. Check his Instagram out below, and thank you very much. Also, if you did like it, please drop it a like. It really helps me out. Peace.